Ready to turn the marketing world upside down and ride the AI-powered UGC wave straight to success? Step 1. Niche down like a laser. Don't be a jack-of-all-trades. Focus on a specific industry like e-commerce, beauty brands, or SaaS startups. This makes your marketing way more targeted and attracts the right clients. Step 2. Assemble your dream team. You'll need a project manager who's basically a traffic controller, UGC creators who are authentic and camera-ready, and AI wranglers who can fine-tune those algorithms. Think quality over quantity here. Step 3. Tech stack time. You'll need AI tools for script writing, video editing, performance analysis, and content scheduling. Explore platforms like Synthesio, Pictory, and Jasper. Pay attention to the features that align with your specific niche. Step 4. Build a website that screams trust and expertise. Showcase your AI-powered UGC services, client success stories, and pricing packages. Make sure it looks professional and easy to navigate to capture new clients. Step 5. Market your agency aggressively. Leverage social media, run targeted ads, and reach out to businesses that align with your niche. Emphasize how AI enhances UGC, leading to increased conversions and ROI. Step 6. Analyze, optimize, and repeat. Use AI-powered analytics to track campaign performance, identify trends, and optimize your strategies. Continuously refine your approach based on data to deliver maximum value to your clients. Now go out there and build your AI UGC empire.